Leaving our reach, us together, every good need. Us together, happy are we.
Please welcome Aguinaldo Trinidad Senior Integrated School. Baclaran National High School. Balete Academy. Balete Integrated School. Bayang Magpagong National High School. Buruanga Vocational School. Calizon National High School. Kamaligan National High School. Father Julian C. Rago Memorial National High School.
That is our song. Finding beyond dreams
Eagle Integrated School.
and love, finding our motto, living our dream. Us together, we
Jose F. Minez Memorial National High School.
Us together, happy are we. Friendly to neighbors far over the sea.
Loctugan National High School.
Faithful to country, loyal to home. Known as true Girl Scouts wherever we roam.
Loreto NED National High School.
Scouts together,
Linawan National High School.
friendly to neighbors far over the sea. Faithful to country, loyal to home.
Madalag National High School.
Scouts wherever
School. New Washington National Comprehensive High School. Lumanja Integrated School.
Sakto nila sa camera
Pedro Nilo C. Batir National High School. Balay Integrated School. Regional Science High School for Region 6. Tamalagon National High School. Tanale National High School.
Manok-manok, lupad, manok-manok, lupad, 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 lupad. Ito manok-manok, lain naman ay kusog, maisog ang bumuot, tuod nga malay nun manok-manok, bugas ang taga-isla, o jaron na kapag magaog ang mong promisa.
Thank you, Manok-Manok.
We are Academians, we are one. We are Academians, we are one. We are Academians, we are Academians, Academians. We are Academians, Academians. We are Academians, Academians team, are you ready? Aye, Captain! Sino ang grupong handa sa lahat? Academians! Sino ang grupong mga magalang? Academians! Ang grupong walang inaatrasan? Academians! 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 Always ready to fight! Academians team! Academians team! Academians team! Sinong grupong di magpapatalo? Academians team! Sinong grupong mananalo? Academians team! Academians! Ga! Baga! Baga! Ga! Buga! Buga!
So much for inviting me, no? I can't say no to Tita Ferdy. I haven't seen her for ages, no? So, we're very good friends way back when she was still like me. Slim and beautiful. Beautiful pa rin naman, di ba? But now she upgraded herself as the titas of these beautiful girls. Good morning again to our host for today's event, our Balabat Elementary School Principal, Dr. Aichel, ma'am, and our Youth Formation Officer, si Sir Michael, na lagi kong kasama sa mga events, lalo na sa DepEd. Our Ma'am Maridic Villaruel, our PSCC Camp Director, our the teachers present right now, and our PDRRMO, and our beautiful kagawad of Barangay Balabag, Honorable Evelyn Bitsuki. Again, I am very delighted to stand before a group of extraordinary young women united by a common purpose, the spirit of adventure and camaraderie, who are the future of our beloved province. In this community of amazing young women, walking together, walking far should be our mantra for life. It echoes the very essence of your Girl Scout journey. As Girl Scouts, you are not just companions on this journey. You are a sisterhood, a community of empowered young women who strive forward hand in hand. As Girl Scouts, you should not just walk, you should not stride forward hand in hand, supporting, encouraging, and lifting each other up. You should walk together and walk far. This journey is not just about reaching the destination. It's about savoring every step along the way. Walking together speaks to the power of companionship.
Ignite a dream, ignite your hope, ignite the world on fire. Love starts with a spark, a flame in your heart, until the world's burning bright. Will ignite, G-N-I-T-E, Girl Scouts. Will ignite, G-N-I-T-E, Girl Scouts. Never something standing in our way. Sisters moving in that flow to discover, connecting, and creating a world. There's no limit to how far we can go.
Step outside, it's a brand new day. Look around at all the changes we've made. And the world's never seen what can rise when we dream. We won't stop until it's all ablaze.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go Scouts! Ignite a dream, ignite your hope, ignite the world on fire. Love starts with a spark, a flame in your heart, until the world's burning bright. Will ignite, G-N-I-T-E, Girl Scouts. Will ignite, G-N-I-T-E, Girl Scouts. Interplanet, gonna love it. It's your story, why don't you tell it? Step into life, go girl. It's our future, it's our dream journey on forever green. It's your spark, time to light it. Get on your feet, turn up the heat. Make it glow, make it a sight. Imagination, inspiration, bring it to the world. Ignite, ignite a dream, ignite your hope, ignite the world on fire. It's love, it starts with a spark, a flame in your heart, until the world's burning bright. Will ignite, ignite a dream,
Para nasa kanila lahat ng init. Oo.
Is there anything you would change about it?
May nagubad na talaga sa sayo. Pakialam mo mama. Oh, grabe. Pagkabog-abog nga ha. May tagabasa na tubig. May tagabasa ka. May makaya na nga rin doon. Kung magduduwin pa siya eh. Gabasa na gano'n. Pero may effort man matadubas siya, di ba? Dapat yung lubas siya. Ang mas makakaganda.
Thank you, performer number